Guys, kitten update here. So, you know the mother cat that keeps having the kittens, and I made that video called she had the kittens. Yeah, well, her cat gave birth to these little children. Look at that. Sorry, my mom's here. I'm making a video. He's so cute. Well, I know this was a very short video. By the way, my birthday's coming up and I'm now 10, so, and this happened a few days after. They were literally born yesterday. I'm not even kidding. Look at them. So cute. Hold on. I gotta let, oh, sorry. I just shut the screen. Look at this. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. You're so lucky. You get to, is this dead? Are you dead? I actually really want to know if that, oh, no, I'm sorry, I just want to know if you're dead. This one's very scary. By the way, she had kittens once. Okay. Another thing is that she freaking had kittens. Once again. You big kitty. What? By the way, sad news about the newborns. She ended up having 5, and I know you already saw 3, but it seems that, well, it seems that 2 of them died in her stomach, and they were born dead. And it was a very sad day for the mother. She was a first-time mother, and that's what happened with her first litter. I can imagine what would happen if she has a second. She'd probably be very worried. But okay, hold on. So quick little talk. So whoa, one of these kittens looks like its mother, and we